Hey everybody, it's Tim, and I want to talk about Cleanspark. We're going to get into the technicals. I'm also going to show you guys a couple of articles here and a short video about Cleanspark and its Bitcoin mining operation. So as many of you know, it appears that Russia is invading Ukraine, and it caused the market to drop quite considerably. So if you're the type that likes to pray, please pray for Ukraine and Russia, and pray that there's minimal bloodshed. No one wants war. Hopefully all the other countries band together to protect Ukraine. So on a lighter note, surprisingly, Cleanspark's actually doing pretty good considering Bitcoin last night. I saw it had a huge drop. We dropped from about 38 down to 34. It's slowly recovering. So to me, that shows a lot of strength with Cleanspark considering the overall market is pretty much down. I mean, a few stocks are up, of course, but that's good to see considering Bitcoin just taking a huge drop. You'll notice we did break our channel, but it's still holding strong. So we're out of this. We are going to remove this trend line. And to me, it seems that the downtrend is over, and I'm more than comfortable just holding through here. I don't think we're going to see much lower levels. Of course, Bitcoin could drop further. That might put some more downward pressure on Cleanspark, but I'm pretty confident in it here. And you'll notice that the RSI is pointing up, MACD is curling up, and we have some decent buying volume in here. Although we are still trying to hold over the 3 EMAs, the 8, 13, and 21. It looks like we are coming up over the 8. But you'll notice if you zoom in, we hit this 21 and it quickly takes it back. It tries to hit the 21, stay above, quickly takes it back. So if you're very short term, you don't have any Cleanspark yet, you could always wait, see once we raise over this 21 day, showing that from the candles momentum could be turning, and just ride that momentum up. For now, we are still bearish on the candles, but it is nice to see that we broke this downtrend and we just hit right at 11 and then came back down. So that signifies there is a wall of sellers at 11. And this happened twice here. You see it right there. It tempted, and then right here. So this is going to be our resistance, this $11 level. Now let's just focus on getting to 10 first. But that is going to be our next resistance. Now let me show you guys this video real quick, and then I'm also going to go over this article here that was posted on Facebook. I'll leave you guys the link below so you can read it yourself if you'd like.
What is this? Okay, let's look inside. That's a good place to start.
Cleanspark chairman and co-founder Matthew Schultz operates a Bitcoin mining facility in College Park.
Each one of these 48 mobile data centers has 166 Bitcoin mining computers inside.
Each one of the computers are using energy non-stop with computations and equations and verifying transactions. The reward, Bitcoin. Schultz believes it's possible to mine responsibly.
When we come into a facility like this, we enter into large power purchase agreements that we guarantee to buy power, which benefit the surrounding community by keeping renewable energy the focus of the mix and keeping costs low.
Creating renewable energy and making money.
To mine a Bitcoin costs between $5,000 and $6,000 in electricity, given the most recent difficulty. Bitcoin today is about $37,000, so the profit margins are terrific.
The company's also building a similar operation at a large facility in Norcross. This $6.5 million investment comes at a time when Bitcoin mining is front and center, not only because of the profits, but because of some headlines about Bitcoin mining being bad for the environment. Tesla CEO Elon Musk gained attention when he tweeted that the company would no longer accept Bitcoin as payment. He wrote, "Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment." That tweet came after learning a crypto company took over an old coal mining facility in Montana to burn fuel that way and mine Bitcoin.
And their approach was, we're going to dust off this coal-fired power plant. We're going to create 100 megawatts per day of power burning coal, not recycled coal, just burning coal. And we're going to make Bitcoin with that, and the Bitcoin is going to be very profitable. That approach is the wrong approach.
Cleanspark's new facility nets out with 95% carbon-free energy. Valerie Thomas is with Georgia Tech's School of Industrial and Systems Engineering.
There's increasing realization that there are more energy efficient ways to have cryptocurrencies.
And Georgia is looking like the place to do it.
We've cleaned up our electricity a fair amount already over the past decades, and so there's been a real shift toward natural gas and increasing use of renewables.
Sustainable options for the environment. But is it still time to make money?
Is this, in essence, the new mint? Is this the new printing press of money?
Absolutely it is.
Right now is that we live in a world of programmable money where you can literally mine your own money and then use that money to pay for everyday regular purchases. It's really, really astounding.
And of course, I'll leave the links below for you guys so you can read through the article yourself or even save the video if you'd like. Now, as for a piece of news that is going to positively affect Cleanspark quite a bit is Georgia House Bill 1342, which aims to exempt the sale or use of electricity used in the commercial mining of Bitcoin and crypto. Now, Matt Schultz here says the state has done everything in their power to grow Bitcoin. At the end of the day, Georgia wants this business here. Georgia has emerged as a go-to destination for miners among the states that are welcoming the industry, mainly due to its low power prices and large amount of nuclear and solar. And finally, Georgia's favorable regulation and low energy rates have led Bitcoin mining machines to flock to the state, a trend that is set to increase steeply in the event that the new law gets enacted and further brings down costs to install Bitcoin mining operations. Now, one quick thing, you'll see that we gapped down pre-market, and then we were just quick to take it back. So to me, that's a sign that this level, Cleanspark at this level, there's just too many buyers for it to drop much. So I'm very confident buying under 10, and even in the low teens, I still think it's a favorable deal to add throughout. But that's basically all I got for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I put out daily videos, and until next time, peace.